everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can access the account that you have been blocked on your Instagram. So just need to open your Instagram application, and then you just need to tap open your profile page, tap into this side, tap into this three straight line on the top right corner, and then you just need to go click settings and privacy. And this settings and privacy, you just need to scroll all the way down until you got this who can see your content. They could be account privacy settings, close friend, blocked, and hide story, and live. So if you want to see and access the blocked account list, just tap into this block, and someone that you have been blocked could be shown up right here. Since I have no account that I've blocked, so that could be an empty. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections, and don't forget to subscribe into this channel and turn on the notification section for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll glad to see you for the next tutorial.